Just to let you guys know, we are not financial advisors. We took the time to research on the internet plays you should or could be making in the near future. Welcome to a crowd of stocks. Today's Friday. Here's our top 5 stocks on the move. First up is Heliogen, ticker symbol HLGN, average volume 344,884, 52-week high 16.35, 52-week low 8.74. It's a private equity and venture capital focusing on fintech, cybersecurity, and a tech company. At the time of this recording, it was up 55% at 14.80. The CEO is Phyllis W. Newhouse, founded in 2020 in Kennesaw, Georgia, with 3 employees. Next up is Fathom Digital Manufacturing, ticker symbol FATH, average volume 444,442, 52-week high 10.45, 52-week low 6.46. It operates as an on-demand digital manufacturing platform. At the time of this recording, it was up 22% at 7.92. The CEO is Ryan Martin, founded in 2020 in Heartland, Wisconsin. Next up is Xeris BiPharma, ticker symbol XERS, average volume 2.78 million, 52-week high 7.94, 52-week low 1.77. It offers a novel formulation technology to bring ready-to-use liquid, stable, injectable to patients. At the time of this recording, it was up 20% at 2.91. The CEO is Par R. Edik, founded in 2020 in Chicago, Illinois, with 180 employees. Next up is MBIA, ticker symbol MBI, average volume 352,713, 52-week high 16.41, 52-week low 5.96. It provides a financial guarantee, insurance, and portfolio services. At the time of this recording, it was up 18% at 15.79. The CEO is William Charles Fallon, founded in 1973 in Purchase, New York, with 89 employees. Next up is SmartShare Global, ticker symbol EM, average volume 121,224, 52-week high 52, 52-week low 1.20. It operates as a consumer tech company providing mobile device charging services. At the time of this recording, it was up 13% at 1.50. The CEO is Guano Yuan Kai, founded in 2017 in Shanghai with 5,100 employees. This is a crowd of stocks across all social media, acrowdofstocks.com. Again, we are not your financial advisors. Hopefully you guys can look into these people. Hopefully some of this is good advice. Hopefully it's something that you guys can see that you can use in the near future.